What's up, you guys? Back at it again. Today we are on the GoPro. We're gonna go buy some tools to lift up the front, well, to level out the truck. I know that I was talking about lifting it, and that isn't really gonna happen because someone stole my lift kit from my truck, like I said before in the previous videos. But I do have the leveling kit that I had bought before. So we got some wheels coming in, so I thought it would be perfect timing to go ahead and level out the truck, see how that looks out. Today's Easter Sunday. Happy Easter, well, late Easter to everyone. So yeah, so we're gonna go to Harbor Freight. I need to get some jack stands that I had, and then they got stolen as well out of my truck. We probably might get a grinder. There's some stuff that we need to clear out of the bottom of the truck. I'll show you guys that later, what I mean with that. And then what else do we need? Oh, a torque wrench. I don't have one, I don't own one, so we have to go get one so we can torque down all the bolts and we don't mess them up. Besides that, I think that's pretty much it. That's pretty much what we're going for. So let's go. Hopefully it's open. I saw online that they're offering from noon to 9, so, or noon to 7 or something like that. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's go. Guys, so I didn't record much because there was a line, and you know how stuff is right now. I didn't want to take my time and start looking around, so I decided to just go in there, grab my stuff. It took me about 20 minutes to get into Harbor Freight. We got a couple cool little goodies for, like, I think I paid $120 for a grinder. What else did I pay? Shoot, I got a torque wrench, a torque impact wrench, some other couple goodies that we're gonna need for today. So yeah, so let's go ahead and go back home. I really need to clean this truck too as well. So we have a long day planned out. So lifting it and cleaning the truck is what we're gonna do today. So let's get to it. Let's go. So we jumped back into the camera because the GoPro was dying, so I didn't get that charged, but I got the camera going. So let me show you guys what we got. I smell away? Yeah. Alright, so we got a little grinder. Not too bad, 17 bucks for that. We got these little adapters because I'm always breaking them for some reason. I've never gotten one, so now I have one. It is a torque wrench. So yeah, I need that. I also got a impact wrench, which I really need that too. It takes me forever to do all these things without all this stuff. And then we have little, what is this, socket drivers? Yeah, drivers. That's for another thing though, but I got that as well. How to get electrical everything, because to wait for the battery to charge and stuff, you got time for that. We also have new jack stands because we got ours stolen, so we needed that. And so I've been watching some videos on how to do this, and you need a what is it, a table vise but I don't have a table, and I don't have room to put a table anywhere in my garage, or get a vise and put a table on there. So I went ahead and got a little baby one. I think this was like 17 bucks. Hopefully this works. If not, I'm screwed pretty much, in other words. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and level out the truck today. We're gonna pick it up 2.5 inches from the front. We're gonna leave the back how it is. I think it's perfect how it is, to be honest. I don't know why I was trying to lift it. I think I just wanted bigger, meaner tires, but it is what it is, and we're working what we have, so let's do this. Let's do it. so that's how it was done. I didn't explain it, but it is what it is. I will put the video description down below, the one that I use for this. It's easy. I use the one that they use at American Truck. If you haven't checked out their website, check it out. It's pretty expensive. I don't buy from there, but if you want quality stuff, you can go by there. I don't mind. But yeah, so I'll show you guys what it is that we did. We put this leveling kit, premium leveling kit, right here. You got it on eBay. I'll put the link down below as well. If you guys want the link down below for all this stuff, give it a big big thumbs up, and I will put the links to all the tools that I use down below as well. Once again, don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us on our social media, and I will see you guys next time. Yep, later.